Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by picking a VPN optimized for gaming because latency matters. Lower ping keeps gameplay smooth. Once chosen, install the client and sign in. This links your device to the VPN network. Close Minecraft before connecting so the game initializes with the VPN IP. After you connect to a nearby server, verify your IP changed. This prevents region blocks and can reduce routing delays. Make sure to use a UDP protocol if available for better speed. Now open Minecraft and proceed. Once Minecraft is running with the VPN active, configure the client for optimal performance. You want WireGuard or UDP OpenVPN because they trade some overhead for speed. This reduces lag. If the VPN supports server selection, pick one close to the Minecraft host or your friends to cut round-trip time. Consider split tunneling to route only Minecraft through the VPN so other apps stay on your regular connection. Finally, run a quick ping and Minecraft server test to confirm stable latency and packet loss are low. Finish by locking in the best server and settings so your sessions stay consistent. If you face connection issues, first reconnect the VPN and try a different nearby server. This often resolves routing problems. Make sure your firewall or antivirus isn't blocking Minecraft's traffic. Add the game to allowed apps if needed. If packet loss or high ping persists, review VPN logs and test without the VPN to compare. Contact VPN support with timestamps and logs if the problem remains. They can identify server-side issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.